The installation of the fully automatic milk candy production line must be carried out strictly in accordance with the steps to ensure the normal operation of the equipment and production safety. The following are the main installation steps of the milk candy production line. Equipment entry and unpacking inspection. Equipment transportation. Formulate a transportation plan to ensure the safe delivery of the equipment to the site. Large equipment may need to be disassembled for transportation. Pay attention to marking and recording the disassembly sequence. Open the box for inspection. Check against the packing list whether the equipment and its components are complete and undamaged. Record and handle any problems found. Equipment installation. Foundation construction and equipment positioning. According to the equipment installation diagram, pour the equipment foundation and reserve the holes for the anchor bolts. After the foundation is solidified, hoist the equipment into position and adjust the levelness and positional accuracy. Equipment fixation. Install the anchor bolts to firmly fix the equipment on the foundation. Ensure the equipment is stable and avoid vibration and displacement during operation. Component assembly and connection. Assemble each component of the equipment in accordance with the instructions to ensure correct connection, tightness, and reliability. When connecting pipes, cables, etc., pay attention to sealing and electrical safety. Electrical installation. Power connection. According to the electrical drawings, connect the main power supply and the power lines of each device. Ensure correct wiring, reliable grounding, and compliance with electrical safety regulations.